For decades, protecting a network was a manual standoff. Security teams relied on static firewalls and standard antivirus software to block individual hacks and known malware signatures. But as digital networks expanded, so did the data they produced. A typical enterprise network now generates millions of distinct events, logins, and file transfers every 24 hours. This scale created a human bottleneck. Biological reaction times cannot keep pace with this volume of real-time data, leading to a gap where a breach can go unnoticed for hours or even days. To bridge this gap, defenders integrated artificial intelligence. These systems parse billions of data points in milliseconds, identifying and blocking threats at the perimeter without human intervention. But the same logic used to secure the perimeter has been adopted by the other side. Artificial intelligence is now powering the attacks. Modern cybersecurity is a confrontation between competing algorithms operating at machine speed. Defensive AI processes billions of data points in seconds, establishing a baseline of normal network behavior. Maintaining this baseline lets the system instantly flag deviations. A login from an impossible location triggers a localized alert, isolating the threat before it moves. Attackers use this same processing power to automate reconnaissance. Instead of manually probing a network, an AI can scan millions of IP addresses and ports to find a single unpatched vulnerability in minutes. These algorithms can even scrape public data to craft personalized phishing campaigns at an industrial scale, targeting thousands of employees with messages tailored to their specific roles. AI automates response protocols, instantly surrounding a compromised device with a containment perimeter before infection spreads. Attackers counter this with adaptive malware, using machine learning to change its code in real time, mimicking safe traffic to slip past sensors. In this environment, the window for human intervention has effectively vanished from both the initial breach and the immediate containment phases. AI strengthens the technical perimeter by taking over repetitive security tasks, enforcing strict, automated identity verification. However, as the network code becomes harder to crack, attackers are using AI to bypass the technology entirely by targeting human psychology. Machine learning models can now perfectly mimic human biometric markers, creating deepfake audio and video that is nearly indistinguishable from reality. This enables highly sophisticated targeted fraud. A subordinate receives a video call from a digital CEO clone, authorizing a multi-million-dollar transfer. When a machine successfully hijacks biological trust, it creates an authorized pathway that bypasses many of the technical barriers designed to stop an external intruder. We have entered a state of machine-to-machine combat, where algorithms are constantly probing each other for a single millisecond of weakness. These defensive models are not infallible. They are restricted by the quality of their training data, and they cannot account for the creative intuition of a human attacker. Despite these limitations, deploying AI is now a requirement. Without it, a security team would be overwhelmed by the sheer volume of automated threats. In this new environment, humans function as the strategic decision-makers, providing the context and intuition that the code lacks. This shift makes workforce upskilling critical. Security is no longer just a technical department's concern, but a requirement for every employee to recognize the signs of algorithmic manipulation. Securing the future requires an alliance, matching the relentless speed of artificial intelligence with the critical thinking of a security-aware culture.